I'm building my home gym and I finally got a treadmill. When I ordered this treadmill, there were no reviews, so I have no idea what I got myself into. Let's see how it goes. I have this. The treadmill was packed very well. As I moved the box around while putting it in the room, nothing inside jiggled as I moved it from side to side, so I was happy with that. Assembly. It says open the box and take out the machine and all parts. Pull up the upright tubes on both sides. So I guess these are the tubes. There are only 4 screws here, but the instruction manual said that there were supposed to be 6. And then I found the other screws. Gosh, look at that. Here, it is pre-assembled. Perfect. It was such a relief to find those 2 screws. Disaster averted, and I went on to screw the screws in. The screws are screwed in with the washers and with the curved plates. All the necessary tools were included in the kit, so I had absolutely everything I needed. I did the same thing on the other side. Here I am starting to attach the console. The necessary screws were already attached, so I needed to get them out and then screw them back in place. As you can see, I was able to do it all on my own. So it all had to be forced into place. Okay, it was important to be careful so that the wires would not be pinched in. I put in the screws and I tightened the screw and the bolt in with the provided tools. I did the same thing on the other side, and then I snapped the wires into place. I removed the screws and the curved plates from the upright bars and screwed everything back into place. The more narrow bolt went up here. This is for folding, and the wider and shorter one went down here. The moment of truth, plug it in and turn it on. So it's showing error, and here in number 9 it says that this needs to be put back. Look at that. Yay, good job. Figured it out. Awesome. The belt did not feel smooth until I oiled it with the silicone lubricant that was provided. Oh, I forgot, it's in kilometers, right? So it's... So I guess to fold it, I have to unscrew this. And you have to open it, that's it. Like that. Okay. Look at that, it doesn't take too much space, it looks like it. Yeah, very nice. I set it up on my own. It didn't take that long. It wasn't that difficult, even though I really dislike putting stuff together. As I work out on this treadmill, I will make a video and I will let you know how it works. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.